guys, this is Meenal here and welcome to my YouTube channel. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं विंटर क्लोथिंग के बारे में, किस तरह के क्लोथ्स पहने जाए फॉर विंटर रनिंग. So I'm going to divide this video into two parts. पहले पार्ट में we will talk about what kind of clothes we can wear till about 14 or 15 degrees Celsius, and in the second part when it gets really cold, what to wear till about 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, because that's the maximum temperature that I have run so far. So let's start with it. The very first thing which is very important is leggings. Also, before I talk about it, a disclaimer, I feel extremely cold, तो इसलिए मेरे लिए clothing, proper clothing पहनना बहुत important है. I can see there are people who wear shorts and just go for a run. I'm not one of them. This video is especially for those people who kind of really do feel cold in winters. So coming back, yeah, it's very important to have a nice warm legging. So this is the legging that I've bought. So ये कुछ dry fit clothes type की legging है. I got it from Decathlon. I got it for less than 1000 rupees, and believe me, it's the perfect and it's the best buy I have ever done. बहुत ही ज़्यादा वार्म रखती है विंटर्स में, एंड एट द सेम टाइम अगर कभी धूप निकल जाए, बहुत लंबा टाइम हो जाए रन करते हुए, तो इट डजंट मेक मी फील really hot or sweaty also. The another good part is it has these highlighter kind of line at the back, ताकि अंधेरे में when we run तो ये थोड़ा चमकता भी है. So that's about the legging. So this is the only legging that I have for winter runs. Then if it is, I just wear a simple dry fit t-shirt. किसी भी event में if you get a t-shirt, you can wear that. You can layer it with a jacket. I got this jacket from Reebok. It was pretty expensive, around 2500 rupees. So this is kind of good. If you're buying a winter jacket for running, एक चीज़ बहुत ध्यान रखिएगा, it's not like your normal sweatshirt jacket, right? Because वो बहुत heavy हो जाती है and it becomes difficult to run. So this is very lightweight, hardly any weight. और इसके पीछे ये थोड़ा जाली टाइप्स कपड़ा भी है, ताकि अगर स्वेटिंग ज़्यादा हो तो थोड़ा ड्राई हो जाए. Another good thing is it has these pockets also. हैंकी रखने के लिए, कभी भी नोजी वोजी आए तो you can use it. So that's about the second layering. In fact, yeah, third layering that I do is I wear this fleece t-shirt that I have. It's very old. I think मेरी sister से मारी हुई है. So yeah, this is another fleece sweatshirt that I layer on top of these two. This is very light in weight again, and it has got bright red color, so it's definitely helpful during foggy winter runs to be more visible and to keep myself warm. So this is still, I think, around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius तक इससे चल जाता है. But if it gets really cold, up till I will say 2-3 degrees Celsius, then I can't just do with it. Worst thing I wear is I wear kind of a warmer वो वाला नहीं जो चौकी वाला होता है. I kind of get, let me. So let's talk about the another look which goes for when it's really cold in Delhi, like 2-3 degrees Celsius हो जाता है. So the first layer that I wear on the top part is this warmer. Again, I got it from Decathlon. कुछ dry fit types कपड़ा है, but it keeps snug to the body ताकि थोड़ा warmth रहे. Then I layer it on top with the same jacket that I showed you beforehand. I got it from Reebok. Again, I wouldn't recommend if you're buying a new one, buy it from Decathlon. काफ़ी सस्ता मिलता है. It was a costly buy, but क्योंकि मैंने खरीद लिया, so I use it. Then on top of these two, I layer it with another fleece jacket, and this time it's really thick. Again, I didn't buy it for running purpose, but having said that, काफ़ी old jacket है ये, and it's kind of really warm. और अच्छी खासी pockets है इसकी, which comes in handy to keep my hanky again. But yes, it keeps me very warm. और ये चीज़ काफ़ी काम आती है. Please look for a jacket जो थोड़ी neck के ऊपर तक जाए, ताकि because your neck keeps it warm. So this is what I wear when it gets really cold. And that's pretty much it. Also, I layer it with a Cap, I rarely wear cap. Maybe last year I wore it twice or thrice, and that's about it. I don't have it right now, but yeah, with these clothes I probably am able to go for longer runs during my winters. So that's about it. I hope this video is useful if you're planning to run during your winters. Uh, Let me know if you need any more information regarding the same. Thank you so much. Bye bye.